What's up mga kuya? So welcome back to the channel, and yes, as nabasa nyo sa title ng video na to, this is going to be a bit of a angry or galit na unboxing netong Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 5. And paano nyo masasabi na galit ako? Kasi nagtatagalog ako ngayon. Kasi usually alam nyo naman sa mga videos ko is English speaking tayo, diba? So I apologize to my English speaking only viewers as I am, well, basically going to be speaking in Taglish in this video. And before my unboxing and quick review of the Mi Smart Band 5, medyo magrarant ako sa inyo mga kuya. So to those who don't want to see this or hear this, then you can skip to the timestamp in the description of this video to skip to the unboxing and ayun. So ito na nga tayo. So sa mga nag-iisip ko ano yung freebie na kasama ng Poco M3 Pro nung launch is eto siya, the Mi Smart Band 5. And alam ko, ang pricey na freebie neto, diba? Around 1.5 to 1.6 ata ang MSRP neto. And the fact that you're getting this free dun sa Poco M3 Pro, which already costs 7,490 at its early bird price for the 4GB, 64GB variant, is insane. Now, while ang laking pasalamat ko na ang ganda ng freebie ng Poco M3 Pro, ba't di siya kasabay ng phone mismo nang dineliver sa akin? So yun nga yung main reason kung bakit medyo galit ako ngayon. So a few days ago, nung sinabi sa akin na on the way na yung parcel ko ng Poco M3 Pro, eto lang pala yun. Eto pa lang yung freebie mas nauna kesa sa phone. Now, I don't mean to be an ingrate. Sobrang, ayun nga, thankful ako na eto yung freebie. Pero yun nga, alam nyo naman na sa small YouTube channel, gusto nyo nauuna kayo sa mga bagay-bagay. First topic, first unboxing of a product, ganon. So yun, hopefully naintindihan nyo kung bakit medyo nagagalit nga ako ngayon. Pero ito actually nakakainis and nakakagalit nga mga kuya. So while yung parcel ko, yung unit ko mismo ng Poco M3 Pro is on the way dito sa Pilipinas, madami ng mga tao nakatanggap ng Poco M3 Pro nila. Take note umorder ako ng 12 AM June 3. Ito mismo yung launch ng Poco M3 Pro. Hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit nahuli yung unit ko. I mean, yeah, gets ko naman kung malilate ng isang araw since nasa probinsya ako kumpara sa mga umorder sa Manila area siguro. Pero hindi, mukhang almost 1 week pa ata bago dumating yung unit ko. Tapos yung iba, na-receive na. 3 days ago pa ata, yung pinakaunang na-receive na unit ng Poco M3 Pro. Ayun. Pero yun, as of making this video, it is Saturday today and baka dumating bukas, I'm not sure. Usually naman nagdi-deliver sila ng Sunday, pero ewan ko, baka Monday na dumating yon. So we'll see, update ko kayo doon. Pero for now, this is going to be again an unboxing and quick review of the Mi Smart Band 5, yung freebie dun sa Poco M3 Pro. Well, considering na umorder ka nung June 3 and 4.
A few moments later,
so kung alam nyo, of course, meron ng Mi Smart Band 6, pero since ito yung freebie, ito yung unbox ko, diba? On the right side, we have multi-sport modes tracking, magnetic charging, all-day sleep tracking, and 14-day battery life. On the left side, 1.1-inch AMOLED display, 50 meters waterproof with swimming stroke recognition, heart rate and stress monitoring, and female physiological cycle recording. Interesting. Meron palang ganun. And yan, napakadami nakasulat sa likod. So, unbox na nga lang natin. Okay, so I didn't know, and it's turned on. What, bro? Okay, so I didn't know that it was going to be this small, I mean this thin. And one question, Xiaomi, why is it turned on in the box? That's not safe. Okay, so for now, let's set this aside actually. It just keeps getting better and better. Okay, so there's something here. I'm assuming this like the magnetic charging shit. Yeah. Okay, so I'm assuming it goes like this. Okay, so that's a really strong magnet. So that's very nice. And an instruction manual, which I probably won't be reading. So, yeah. Okay, so nothing else in the box. But yeah, here we have the Mi Smart Band 5. Okay, so there we have Mi Smart Band 5. Okay, so I installed the Mi Fit app. So maybe we can find the Mi Band 5 here. And on a side note, the capacitive button here is actually quite responsive, and the touchscreen also. Okay, pair with phone. And yeah, there we have it running. Okay, so activating the device. But first impressions on the screen, it's actually quite bright. Not the sharpest thing in the world, but of course don't expect that. For the price also, I mean, you're lucky you're getting AMOLED at this price. So yeah, there's the different functions, and wait, more. And yeah, this is what I was actually looking forward to when I got this. So you can control the music on your phone and use this to take photos on your phone. So you can customize the shortcuts, remote shooting control. So that's for the camera, very nice. 11 kinds of activities, updating, very nice. And I guess just to show you guys, comparing it to my current smartwatch, which is the Amazfit Bip. So as you can see, so that's a quick size comparison. And just being an AMOLED, the colors just pop here significantly compared to the Amazfit Bip, which is of course an LCD. And we'll be back after a few words from our sponsor. Joke lang, wala tayong sponsor ngayon.
The next day.
At nagbabalik na nga po tayong mga kuya. So Sunday na nga po ngayon, and I just decided to tinker around a bit with the Mi Band 5 before making my quick review on it. And update nga lang, so dumating na nga yung M3 Pro ngayong araw. Very nice, diba? As much as I want to unbox this right now, again, medyo pissed off nga ako dito. So bukas to. As in, after ko ma-upload to ngayong araw, ngayong Sunday, is gagawin ko kagad ng video to bukas mga koy. So kayo magalala, yun nga po yung something to look forward to tomorrow naman. And shoutout of course sa buyer ko ng Redmi Note 9 ko. So yes, nabenta ko na nga po yung Redmi Note 9 na nireview ko last year. So shoutout nga kay Mary Joy Cairo and John Card Cairo. Pero yun nga mga kuya, so I've been using the Mi Band 5 for quite a while now. And basically parang smartwatch na kasi to eh. As in, a thin, really thin smartwatch. And one important thing to take note is that the brightness of the AMOLED display here actually gets really bright mga kuya. At max brightness, plenty viewable outdoors. Pero, for example, if indoors ka, then I suggest getting it to 3 levels of brightness. Pero ang problema naman, since wala tong ambient light sensor, is paglalabas ka, lagi mong tatandaan na i-max brightness kasi sobrang hirap makita yung display na to at just 3 levels of brightness. So, ayun nga. And yung 2 features na talagang gustong-gusto ko dito and actually quite underrated. So, you get to control the camera shutter on your smartphone. Although, akala ko bibigyan ka ng mini viewfinder dito sa Mi Band 5 mismo, pero unfortunately, shutter lang siya. Pero plenty helpful pa din siya, for example, if there's no one to take your picture. So for example, may nakita ka ng gustong angle mo kapag magtitake ka ng selfie, then you can just set your phone and just take a picture on your Mi Band 5. So very nice nga yun. And ang maganda actually sa music control neto is not only for music actually siya. So gumagana siya sa pretty much kahit anong music player, kahit Spotify. So yeah, playing non-copyright music of course. So of course, you can skip the songs here, play pause, and even adjust the volume. And one surprising thing about the music control is actually you get to control the media on YouTube videos. So you can, yeah, surprisingly skip between videos here, adjust the volume of course, play pause. So yeah, really surprising that it can actually control YouTube video. So that's a very nice feature. And a few more helpful features is find device on your smartwatch. So you can just press find device and it will like ping your phone. Of course, as long as it's within the range of your Mi Band 5. And meron ding find band feature dito sa Mi Fit app. Although wala ngang speaker tong Mi Band 5, you can use it to vibrate your Mi Band 5. And if the screen is up on your Mi Band 5, then you can just tilt your wrist to wake up the display. Of course, yung iba pang features that you can find in a smartwatch, so you can receive notifications from your different apps, messages, calls, and you can customize here in the smartwatch what swiping left or right does, like what shortcut it takes you to. Of course, you also have your step tracker, heart rate sensor, and the weather. So, very nice. And yung battery life dito sa Mi Band 5 can last up to 2 weeks, depending on your usage. So, if you're just light on it, then you can expect to get 2 weeks of battery life on this easily. Also, of course, you can change and customize the watch face on the Mi Band 5 to, well, whatever you want. And again, even though I've just used this for a day now, this is basically like a smartwatch again na mga kuya. So, all the usual features that you would find in a smartwatch, plus this being 5 atmospheres waterproof, basically again, 50 meters waterproof. Kasi usually for smartwatches at this price, it would just have IP67 or IP68 certification, meaning up to 1.5 meters deep of water for up to 30 minutes lang yun. So that's insane that you get 5 atmospheres waterproof here on the Mi Band 5. So very nice. And in terms of design, napaka-minimalistic and simple lang talaga tignan to mga kuya. If I'm not mistaken, napapalitan ata yung mga band neto, although hindi ko ta-try ngayon kasi mukhang mahirap atang tanggalin. And ang maganda dito, if you're wearing it, then you can just clip it into place and you're good to go. So that's really nice again. Very nice. Again, thanks a lot Poco for this very nice freebie. Even though sobrang tagal yung dumating netong Poco M3 Pro, bukas nga po yung upload ko neto mga kuya, unboxing and first impressions, and full review ko neto after 1 week. And yeah, that was my unboxing and quick review of the Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 5. Even though meron ng Smart Band 6, I can still easily recommend this since around 2K ata yung Smart Band 6. But of course, if you have the money for the Smart Band 6, then doon na nga kayo. I'll leave the links in the description if you guys want to buy this. And ewan ko actually kung paano kumita yung Poco dito sa freebie na to since, again, yung early bird price ka netong Poco M3 Pro is just 7,490. So technically, I just paid 6,000 pesos for this. Considering again, this is around 1,500 peso value freebie. And of course, as always mga kuya, leaving a like is the easiest way to support the channel. Consider subscribing if you like my content and turn on notifications so we can balance this out. As always, stay safe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.